Hi everyone, I want to talk to you today about building your project out for an executable to distribute as a product to friends, families, playtesters, or to ship it out to digital storefronts. So to accomplish this, you need to have your project built, but we want to start off by going to our project settings. So in our project settings, under maps and modes, you want to make sure that the game default map is set correctly. There's a number of things that you might do throughout your game if you create a new game instance class or different default game mode class. Those are all really important things to attend to. But if this one setting is set incorrectly, then it'll start the player on whatever map this is left to. And if you have a development build, you might be able to load into the other maps, but a shipping build, your player is basically SOL. So they're going to want to make sure that this is set before you do anything else with building your project. So having that built, we go over to the platform section. There's a few options here for cooking content, for going to the project launcher to establish a kind of local replication of your project. But we want to go down to package project. Make sure you select the platform target. Choose the type of build that you want. The first two, debug and development build, have hooks for profilers and access to console commands and all sorts of other debug utilities. And then shipping is lightweight. It's only what goes out to the player. So for right now, just choose whatever your project default setting is, choose your platform target, and at the top of that list, just click Package Project. Select a location for that to go, and it'll start to do the process of packaging the work that you have. Now, as that's going, you can view the output log, and you really shouldn't be doing much with the engine while this is going. You should let the build run. But if you don't want to see each and every ticked update that's happening, you can just take the filter and turn the messages to none, and you'll only see the errors and the warnings. You see this green check mark over here. It means that everything went well. Packaging complete. No errors, only warnings. Warnings we can live with. So if I go back to the messages, we'll get the notification that things were logged in the correct location. So if I go to where the build was created, which was in the same folder as the file, for the project, then the build is going to be inside the Windows folder, and you'll see it has an architecture for files that need to go along with it. The exe is going to be what will launch the project, and you definitely want to verify that the project produced the outcome that you were expecting. So here I have the build. I still have some debug comments up there. I have console command access. I'm able to walk through. It looks like it's interacting and launching just fine, and this is the build. This is not in-engine Pi. So some things you can do: you can run stat FPS to see what it looks like for your frame rate. There's a number of console commands that'll run. Some playtesting things that'll help you. The ghost command will allow you to clip through walls and to return from the ethereal plane. Just write walk, and then that'll drop you back down, and you can get back to shuffling around the world. So hopefully those things will give you an easier time playtesting your maps. Hopefully your maps are coming along well, that your projects are being built out to the extent that you hope that they would be, and that you get the chance with this new information to keep building.